this business. Need a homie who's the realest, someone who wants to find out all that I have to give, who can bring me what is missing. When I talk, she wanna listen. Sitting patient, steady waiting for the day when I can't face it. The one that can love me for who I am and so much more. Is it you my bond? Say that I found the one. I ain't.
Yoink, Zoe! Oh my God, he got whiter. That redness went away a lot.
Yoink, Daddy. Oh my God. Yoink, Daddy. Hold this.
Musa acaba de wash.
Yoink, Daddy. Yoink, Daddy. Hello, darling.
Oh, come on.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. What's all that redness on his chest and stuff?
Oh no, a lot of it went away.
Yoink,
I think he's hungry. He's eating his
He's
hands.
hungry.
Yeah, we can't feed him till another hour.
Another hour.
Yoink, he's gonna be gorgeous. Oh my God. Oh my God, I want to touch him.
Já chalaveski vasko te.
Yoink, I gotta touch him. I gotta touch him.
Well, I got Dad's first stuff. I got his face as soon as he seen him.
Business, need a homie who's the realest, someone who wants to find out all that I have to give, who can bring me what is missing. When I talk, she wanna listen.